Hello, this is Mike. On this channel I am presenting and discussing about cameras that I own. Most of them are vintage cameras. I wanted to show you my collection. Eventually I will make a video about each one of them, so consider this as a sneak peek of things to come. On the top we have 120 TLRs, on the left is the Yashica mat, on the right is the Rolleiflex. Going down, we see the 4 members of the Exacta family I own. Now we have the 127 version of the TLRs. These cameras are cute. On the left is the Yashica 44, on the right is the baby Rolleiflex. Here in front we have the Russian Leica copies from Zorky, the Zorky 1 on the left and the Zorky C on the right. In the back we have 2 medium formats from Zeiss Ikon, the Ikonta and the Netar. On the left is a Nikon F, on the right is a Nikon F Photomic. Going down, in the back to the left is a Praktica FX, to the right is a Ricoh 500 rangefinder. And to finish, in this display case we have 2 Kodak Retina, the 1A and 2A. In my next display case we are going a bit farther in time with the Poco C on the left and the Primo on the right, both from Rochester Camera. The next shelf to the left is a Kodak Volenda, to the right are 2 Kodak 35, the point and shoot and the rangefinder in the back. These 2 folding cameras are the Conley and the Kodak Brownie No. 3 on the right. Here on the left is a medium format Zenobia C, on the right is the Argus camera. And then there's another Argus, the C44, and in the very back blurry is the Super Baldina. Moving on to a Canon AE1, a Buckeye No. 4 and a Zeiss Ikon Contaflex. Scattered all over my house and much less dusty are the Canon 7 rangefinder, the uber famous Leica 3F, also rangefinder, and the Leica R4S SLR. What do we have here? A Hasselblad 500 EL and a Mamiya 645. And last but not the least, the Century Ground 5x7 field camera. So please check my channel to see which camera I have reviewed so far, and if you're interested, please subscribe to get further releases in the future. Thank you and goodbye!